Good evening, traders. Hope you're all doing amazingly. I've got a quick video here that's going to explain to you guys how I traded and called the AMD short alert inside our Discord. This trade took place on the 27th of September, so a few days ago now. But just going to cover it anyways because I think the setup and the actual trade was very good. All right, this was a scalp alert. I don't know why I've got the day trading one up. It was on scalps. So I alerted it here. I said short AMD at 6540, and this was basically at this level right here, 6450. So right here, right, that is me saying that I'm in this trade, gonna put it in green, and that is basically it. So as you can see, we gapped down from the previous day, quite a massive gap. Quite a capitulation move, to be honest with you guys. High volume selling coming in, and then the first thing we saw was a flat top, at this sort of flat top bear flag which was forming, and that is initially why I alerted this, or at least I called this trade. So I called it and I said I'm in at this green line, the 6540. Stop loss was just above. The stop loss was just here at 6680, so not too far away, but far away to not get hit. So say that's a stop loss. We're going to do it in a dotted line, just demonstrate. I'll put these in blue so you guys can see. So this is the breakout range. So basically, if you are familiar with the 10 EMA strategy built by Real Life Trading, this is basically it. So I'm using the 3-minute chart. I saw the stock gapping down, and I waited to see the first bull candle form. Once I saw this first bull candle form underneath the 10 EMA, I was like, right, I'm going to get in. And just like that, I got in the trade. I saw that it was ranging, and then I placed a stop loss just above the range. Once this high was made, this kind of range high was made, and then that was basically it. I put some profit targets on screen. The 6480 was actually just a midpoint target between the low of the range and the low of this. It was a midpoint target between the low of the range and the support just down here, the 6418, which I also added as a profit target, and this was a daily level along with the 6405 level. So they were my two targets, and they were both hit very, very comfortably after this trade. If we just go on to the short thing, so if I put my little my trade idea here, as you can see, trade came out to be 3.46 Rs on your capital. So basically, very, very good quality trade. As you can see as well, the percentage, 2.06% gain on this one. And this was called for free inside of Discord. I'm just going to go over why I called it again, just to clarify it. So, 10 EMA. If you're short in a stock, look for a bullish candle to close below the 10 EMA, and then look to go short from there. If you're long in a stock, look for a bearish candle to close above the 10 EMA, and then go long from there. Obviously, you've got to make sure the pattern's right, and in our case, the pattern was right. The second thing I looked for was obviously a bearish pattern. In this example, it was a flat top bear flag sort of thing. So I added in the middle of this range, stop loss just above, and then waited for the trend to break, of which it did. It then retested, so you could have shorted shares on this retest if you didn't get in within this small little consolidation little phase. And that was basically it. So they are the two reasons why I got in the trade. Simple as that. Now, of course, you could add that the stock was gapping down very, very hard, which well, not hard. It was just gapping down with high volume. You could add that to it. You could look for trades with high volume selling out the open to it just ticks another box. It's not like it's light volume selling and then you're grabbing a trade as it's kind of just basing, because if it's light volume selling, it's generally, or more likely, it's not more likely, it's just there's a possibility of it reversing and going the other way. But obviously the high volume selling does add to the fact that the continuation once this little range broke was pretty key. So that is basically it, guys. And if you are interested in joining our Discord channel, it is completely free to join. We alert free trades all week. So far this week, we've alerted 4 green trades and 2 red trades for the free alerts. We also do premium trades. But yeah, that's basically it. If you're looking to join, link in the bio of this description, of this YouTube video. And obviously, if you go to our Twitter, you can also join through our Twitter bio. So that's it. Hope you guys like the video. Maybe learn something. I'll do a few more of these throughout the week. And yeah, that's basically it. Alright, take care, guys.